This is a 2017 mid-roof Do model. It's another one of our inventory units. It has the Quigley 4x4 system, so it has the true four-wheel drive, and it is paired with KO2 all-terrain tires to give you the option for more overlanding experiences in this van. Let's take a closer look at the inside of this van. As we take a look at the inside of this van, you can see that there's some additional seating. So this is a Ford Transit passenger van. This seat right here can actually go in this spot, and there's a spot on the floor behind here where the kitchen pod is that these seats can also be popped into. There's a 3-seat bench that can go in this area, and then right inside the door there's a single seat jump seat that can be utilized. So you have a lot of options on how many you want to seat. You can go as low as 2 and all the way to 8 passengers. Right here we have our removable kitchen pod system. It is equipped with the sink, a slide tray underneath. A lot of times people will put a fridge in that area, a little bit of storage, and then on the side here is the gray water tank. So the water system actually flows into the gray water there, and you utilize the water system that's in the back, and it flows into the kitchen pod area. As I mentioned before, this is a Do model, and in the Do model we utilize the Murphy bed system. Right here is a hinge. This is what we call our full platform. This hinge allows you to fold the bed back to the side and then all the way against the wall. So with this hinge, you can actually set this bed up as just a single bed. So if you don't want to take up this much space width-wise, you can fold that platform over and just utilize the single space. The bed is fixed on the rail on the side, so you can actually height adjust it as well. So you can really kind of fine tune where you want your headspace or your storage space below. So as you can see, the bed itself is supported with these ratchet straps. One nice thing about utilizing that system is you're able to level your bed from inside the van. So if you're on a slight slope, you can use the ratchets. You can let down one side, raise one side, have the back corner at a different height so you can get that bed nice and level if you happen to be parked on a slight slope. These are 30-inch hanging cabinets, and they're removable, movable. You can move them around the van, set them to either side depending on how you want your van set up. And they use this bungee system with these turn-in hooks. They kind of work similar to this, where they have the hook or the imprint right there where you can fit them inside the T-track, and they're set up this way. The nice thing about the bungee system, as you can see with like the headrest here, is you can see what's in there and you can just reach in and drop stuff in. You can also see what's there, which can be really convenient, like in the middle of the night. You're not fumbling around inside drawers that you have to open. You can just see where things are and reach in and grab them, and the bungees do a good job of holding those things in place. In the roof here, we have the Max Fan air vent, which can run off of this power system. This van is equipped with the AGM power system. So with that, you are able to run your air vent. So you can cycle in that natural air, or if you've cooked or something inside your van and you need to get the fumes out, you can run it the other way and exhaust that out of your van. Here is a high efficiency roof air conditioning. With that, you do need to be plugged into short power with this AGM power system. It's a great option if you're at a campsite or somebody's letting you park in their driveway and you utilize their electrical system or like their home power. You're able to run the air conditioning. Or if you have a generator, you're able to do that as well. And then right above the slider door is where some of our switches are. So like your accent lighting, dome lighting, cargo lighting, stereo, water pump. And then they have a timer on them to where they actually dim in the middle of the night for people that have sensitivity to light. Those do dim and switch off. Here's the controller for the air conditioning. And then right here is the panel for the S-bar heater, which is a great system. It runs off of the gas tank. And you just adjust the temperature up and down. What's nice about this system is it is very intelligent. If you start to run low on gas, it'll actually cut itself off so you're not stranded in the middle of nowhere with no fuel. So this van is equipped with custom leather seating on the driver and passenger seat, and then the passenger seat is a swivel seat, which is great. It opens up your living space, and then you can utilize this Lagoon pivot table. It's a great option if you just need to eat a meal inside your van, or you're somebody that works remote and you're using this space as an actual workspace. So on the back here, we have the spare KO2 tire and an aluminous ladder rack that gives you access to the roof. And let's take a look at the inside of the van. So this Do model is equipped with the gear slide, which is not a standard option in the Do model, but this one has been set up that way. It's really great for putting all of your gear on there. Obviously, that's why we call it the gear slide. But you can put your bikes, boxes, luggage, anything like that, and just slide it in and out. So that's a great option for loading all of your gear where you don't have to like reach all the way in and grab your stuff. Here you can also take a closer look at the Murphy bed and the way the straps work. And as I mentioned before, the way you can kind of level out your bed by changing the height of certain points in the bed. And then on the driver's side wall here, we have our AGM power system. It's in our what we call the power tower. Up top, we have additional switches for all of your lighting and electrical components. A power reading for the solar power. This van is equipped with solar on the roof, which helps kind of trickle charge your system. And then the inverter charger, and all of those things will give you readings to let you know how your power system is operating and where your battery levels are at. And then back in the back here is the removable water system. So this is a 6-gallon jerry can that's hooked up. It's got a spray nozzle that you can utilize to spray off all your gear, yourself, anything like that. And it dumps into this other jerry can as the gray water, and that all taps into the kitchen pod. So you're able to run water through the sink, or will run through this hose system to spray off all your gear. One last thing to point out is the components on the roof rack system. So this one has the Thule hideaway crank awning, and there's ample lighting whenever you are pulling into a campground late at night. You're able to illuminate the area, and it just is a great tool for setting up your camp late at night. And this van is available for purchase. So if you're interested, there's a link in the description below to the website link. So it'll give you a full breakdown of all the components on the van. And there's a way to reach out to a guru. Then they can give you more information on financing, warranty, trade-ins, and everything like that. So if you are interested, please let us know by filling out that contact form.